Check out this adjustable hole cutting kit from Xtorque. Whether they're downlights or ducts, when you're drilling overhead in a ceiling, it's a messy job for you and a client. This kit's designed to be used in a handheld drill. It has two adjustable cutters that can be moved from 40mm all the way up to 300mm holes. And when you're cutting, no matter what size the hole, it does it all under a clear plastic shroud. So you can see what you're doing, but it catches all that mess for an easy cleanup. The tool comes in a kit with a range of drills, pilot drills, and cutting teeth. Tungsten carbide tipped blades will cut through particle board, plywood, plastic sheeting. The high-speed steel blades are ideal for plasterboard. When using the hole cutter, you want to keep it perpendicular to the surface, and the bigger the hole you're cutting, the slower you want to run your drill. To set your cutters, there's a scale on one side for the radius, and on the other side, it's got a scale for the diameter. And if you're going to do any adjustments to the tool, make sure you depower it first. And the whole lot is in a hard case, so you can keep it together and organised under your bench, back of the truck, ready for the next job. So when doing cutouts, don't be limited by the size of your hole saws. Save time on cleaning and cut holes with ease. That's the adjustable hole cutting kit from Xtorque. You got any questions about this kit? Hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching City Tools TV.